What's the time? Hey Siri, what's the time?
12:30 me reach a bone now.
Hold on. Hey Siri, do all Jamaicans smoke weed?
Brother, no ask no fuckery. Do everybody smoke weed? Bumbuckler.
Me Jesus. Hold on. Hey Siri, do Jamaicans only listen to reggae music?
Do your mother take fuck every night? Eh? Stop asking me foolishness, brother. Eh? Of course we listen to all type of music, nigga.
What the hell is this? Alright. I'm not getting mad. Hey Siri, does everyone have dreadlocks in Jamaica?
Do your mama have dreadlocks on her vagina? Eh? Stop asking me fuck. Hey boy. Hey boy.
Me Jesus. Hey Siri, can all Jamaican dance?
No, because we are Ross robot. Yeah, we are robot. We can't dance. No, we can't dance.
Shit crazy, bro. Me Jesus. Hey Siri, do Jamaicans travel?
Stop asking me fuckery. Stop asking me fuckery. Alright? Stop asking me blood clot fuckery. You hear me?
Hold on. Where the
You
fuck
hear
is
me?
that? Me Jesus. Me Jesus. Alright. Hey Siri, is Jamaica in Africa?
Da da dee da da da. Yo Jesus, me a big a wolf for me and
Shit is so. This is not right. Like, why this shit talking pure Jamaican shit? Hey Siri, do Jamaicans speak English?
No, we don't speak English. We don't speak. Yes, we speak bumbleclad English, idiot boy.
Sorry,
That's a dumb.
Sorry, bro.
What me a chat to you in
Jesus,
about?
sorry.
Eh? No English.
You know what? I'm gonna have to ask one more question. Look, let me ask one more question. Just one more. Hey Siri, do Jamaican men suck pussy? Oh no. Hey Siri, do Jamaican men suck pussy? It's not answering. I'm gonna ask. Hey Siri, do Jamaican men suck pussy?
Naughty boy, and from there you test me faith in a pussy. Hey, take your bumbleclad out of the bathroom. And from there you test me faith in a. Come on. Me a lick on your elbow. Come on, you know. That me a tell you, you know. From there you not test man faith, you know. Brother, I want to you. I can't suck pussy argument.